Are you battling itchy scalp, hair dryness, or any sort of scalp infestation? This video is for you. Remember, you should not wash it out, at least not immediately. Welcome back, guys. So our basic ingredient we are using for this video is aloe vera. Aloe vera can be found practically anywhere, any part of this world. It is very easy to find. You can find it in the stores, or you can actually grow yours in your own home. Now these ones, I have aloe vera plant of my own. Like I have like 3 buckets of them because I use them a lot, and not just for the hair, also some for skin burns and something like that. So first off, to prepare this aloe vera, go ahead to remove the scale, that is the sides, the sharp ends of it. After removing the sharp ends of it, I go ahead to rinse it off the first time, because as you can see, this yellow latex, it's not good. You shouldn't have it in your mixture because it's going to itch your skin. It's going to irritate your scalp or your hand, even your hands, like you find yourself itching. So first off, I am going to rinse off this visible yellow latex. I think that's what it's called, yellow latex. So guys, as you're watching this, please endeavor to click that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Just there on your interface, there is subscribe written on red. It's not difficult. It's there. You're looking at you. Just click on it and that's it. You have subscribed. It's not going to cost you anything. And also give this video a thumbs up. After rinsing off the yellow latex, I go ahead to dispose of the water, and then I remove the end parts of the aloe vera. That is those whitish area, because I don't really need them. Going on ahead, I break them in big chunks, and then I add some water. Now this water that I'm adding now, I'm going to leave it, allow the aloe vera to soak in it for basically like 15 to 20 minutes. So the process is to help get rid of the remaining yellow latex on the aloe vera. So that is it. See how clear the water is compared to what I rinsed off earlier. So after that, after soaking it for like 15 to 20 minutes, I go ahead to discard the water, and then I go ahead to extract the gel. Now extracting the gel, simply what I do is to slice the aloe veras, as you can see, and then go ahead and start removing the gel from each of the leaves. I think that's what I'm going to call it. The focus is to bring out the gel. So the gel is all you need for this. You don't need the back of the aloe vera and any other thing. So this is the gel. I go ahead to blend it. Now blending it, you need to make sure that you blend it to be very smooth, or if you feel that it's not smooth enough, you feel that there could be a residue, remember this is going to be a leave-in. You can go ahead and sieve it. Now after that, I go ahead to add my very own ayurvedic oil, and after adding my ayurvedic oil, I added some like 5 to 10 drops of tea tree oil, and then go ahead to transfer it into a container. Now the reason why I transfer it into this container is because it's going to help me apply the aloe vera gel in my hair very easy. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I have two big chunks of braid, 2 separate sides. That's what I have on. I'm going to go ahead and section my hair as I apply this. Now applying or rubbing aloe vera gel on your hair and scalp and letting it penetrate your hair follicles can condition and improve damaged dry hair. It also calms itchy scalp, as it helps resolve inflammation and the dandruff causes. It also strengthens and repair hair strands due to its content of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Now these 3 vitamins contribute to cell turnover, which in turn promotes healthy hair growth and shiny hair. Now as you can see, I section my hair in 4 ways, and still on that 4 ways, I still section out. I still work in sections because I really need to penetrate all parts of my hair follicles. I need all parts of my hair to get this. So that is why it's good to, when you want to apply something on your hair, you work it in sections. first of all, when I apply the aloe vera, I go ahead and use my hands, my fingers to detangle. Now after using my fingers to detangle, I go ahead and use a wide tooth comb. Now using a wide tooth comb, I start from the tip of my hair. I didn't just go ahead and start from the roots because I'm trying to retain hair length as everyone should. So because your hair, the end of your hair, that's the tip of your hair, is the oldest part of your hair, so you need to be as subtle with it as possible. So after doing that, I go ahead to use a brush to run it over because I really need to every part of the hair to be detangled while I make a twist. Now this is what I did to the whole of my hair. Including aloe vera to your hair care regimen is a good idea because not only is it good for your scalp, it's also a good source to moisturize your hair. Now, the moisture that aloe vera gives is highly effective because it alone is a gel. All right, and one of the ways you can actually retain your hair length is by moisturizing as often as you should, not letting your hair go dry. Your hair should be conditioned and well moisturized and not looking flaky or dry. Now that is one of the reasons why I recommend you get an aloe vera plant, because having an aloe vera plant will not make you to use the aloe vera as often as you should, instead of whenever you come across it in a store or in a market. Now after applying it to my hair, I go ahead to tie the scarf, and that is what I took to bed. Now the next day, this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, my hair is still looking well moisturized, although I didn't moisturize it this morning. This is practically me removing the scarf, and this is what I've got. My hair looking this healthy. All I did in turn is to just oil my scalp, which I do basically every 2 to 3 days or so. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. And the oil that I'm using is my hair care brand oil, which is Daphne Hair Care Products, which I sell and is always available if you need them. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Please endeavor to hit that subscribe button, and please endeavor to give this video a thumbs up, guys. I'll see you in my next video, guys. I love you. Bye.